Ever since I started this I Tried It series, the number one question that I've been asked over and over and over again is, can you find one that actually works? So in this video, I've got some good news for you. We're going to talk about one that actually works. However, it's not as straightforward as it seems. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how this method works, the caveats, and if you should try it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. So in this I Tried It video, I'm going to talk to you about this method, if you should do it, and a lot of the issues that come along with trying this method. All right, so I watched this video about a week or two, and the method basically is you are going to go find affiliate links or affiliate programs on Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and other places, and you are going to basically run solo ads. Now, solo ads are basically clicks that you can buy from a person that has a large email list. You are going to buy clicks and they are going to be sent somewhere that you determine. Now that can be an affiliate offer, that can be an email landing page, wherever you want them to go. Now again, there are a lot of pros and cons to solo ads, so you want to make sure that you are aware of all of those pros and cons before you jump in. Now, solo ads in and of themselves have been around for a long time. I personally have spent probably about $1,000 purchasing solo ads, so I'm pretty familiar with the concept. Now, in the video that I watched, he actually used a website called Udemy or Udemy. You can find solo ad vendors in a variety of ways. You can use a website like Udemy, you can use Facebook groups, there's tons of them out there, or you can just really search solo ad vendors and you will find them. Let me give you a rough overview of the process. So if we take a look at the screen here, basically what you're going to do is you're going to register for a Udemy or Udemy account. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go up and find sellers like this. When you find sellers, you're basically looking for people that have a large email list, and they're basically going to let you rent or borrow that email list, and you are going to send clicks. So as you can see here, if we take a look, this top person, it's 59 cents per click, okay? And it's 71% people have reported having buyers, and she has 2,344 positive reviews. The person below it, 46 cents per click, and so on. So what you'd want to do is you want to go out and find a solo ad vendor that would meet your budget. For example, let's say we want to spend 80 cents or less, and then we want to choose our niche. So let's say our niche is in marketing or make money online, and this is going to filter out the results. So the next step would be to click on a person to learn a little bit more about them, and then you want to scroll down and buy clicks. So as I mentioned, you are going to buy clicks. Now, one thing that you have to be aware of is clicks does not mean sales. It means that you are buying clicks. Now, if we look at this, we spend 600 clicks, it's going to cost us $243. Now, what you want to do is you want to put on different filters. For example, this Prime filter will make sure that there isn't any bot traffic. We can also turn on a filter of top tier traffic, so only developed nations. You can see every time we add in a filter, it actually increases the price, and then we can either do mobile or only desktop mode. So this is how it works. You just go out, you find an affiliate program, I recommend that you send them to a landing page, and then you go to this website to buy clicks. It's really that straightforward. However, there are a lot of pros and cons to using solo ads, and we're going to talk about those because it's important to know before you just assume that you're going to make $900 or whatever it is. So let's talk about the pros of using solo ads. So the first pro of using solo ads is it's fast traffic. Okay, you can just go to this website and you can buy clicks, and within a day or two, you can start getting traffic, leads, and potentially even sales to your product. And the second pro is it's relatively cheap. It's not like Facebook maybe where you're spending $100, $300, $400 and you don't know that you're actually going to make any sales or at least get any traffic. Also, it's a great way to build your email list. Now, again, what I certainly recommend that if you're going to use solo ads, you want to make sure that you are sending them to a landing page or an opt-in page, so at very least you have someone's email address. Another pro is that you can make a few sales. Depending on the number of clicks that you buy, you might get a conversion of maybe 5 to 10% of sales. The final pro is that it's easy. As you saw, that you just go to this website and you make a few clicks, and before you know it, you've actually spent some money on getting some solo ads. Now, those are the pros. Those are the good things of doing solo ads. Now, here's some cons. Now, in my opinion, the cons far outweigh the pros. Number one, inconsistent sales. Just because you're spending money on clicks does not guarantee that you're actually going to get any sales. And so it can be kind of frustrating that you are putting in $200, $300, $500 and you don't really see any sales. Number two, you don't know how this email list was attained. Granted, you can buy 600 clicks from this person here, but you don't know how they got them. You don't know if this is an email list of an email list. You don't know if they were guaranteed something just to enter in their name and their email. So using solo ads can be problematic. You don't know the website that they went to. You don't really even know how they opted in. You just don't know enough information about this list in order to make an informed decision, which is a big problem for me. Another drawback or con is these people are usually on multiple solo ad email lists. So what I've seen some gurus do is they say, hey, once you start buying solo ads, you can turn around and list your email list on Udemy or Udemy and some of these other sites. So basically what that means is these same people are recycled on multiple lists again and again and again, and they're getting 40, 50, 60 emails per day with different offers. To me, that's a huge problem because the chances of them buying your offer is relatively low when you look at some of the other options out there. Another drawback is that they are sold to every day. As I mentioned, as I've alluded to, the problem with solo ads is that they're going to be pushed to buy something. And these guys most likely are, a lot of these people on these lists are freebie seekers. They're just looking for different free things that they can pick up and not necessarily interested in buying because they're on so many of these lists. Another drawback that I found, and this is again is my personal experience, is you can get them to buy a $7 to $10 product, but you're going to have a very difficult time getting them to purchase a product over $20. If you are into high ticket affiliate marketing, if you're into reoccurring, maybe you're trying to get them to sign up for ClickFunnels or Builderall or something like that, you're going to have a difficult time getting these guys to make a purchase. So in my opinion, the cons of trying solo ads far outweigh the pros. It's just kind of a headache. Again, I've spent thousands of dollars and I've probably made less than 500 back. Now you can find the diamond in the rough from time to time. It just takes a lot of work and it takes a lot of effort. Also too, solo ads aren't for every single niche. If we look at Udemy again, you can see that it's only for a select niches. There's probably 5 to 10 niches. And so it's very limited. If you are in the beauty niche, there might not be a solo ad vendor for you. So what I recommend that you do instead is learn Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, or Google search ads. You're going to get much more bang for your buck because you know exactly how they got on your list, you know exactly where they're from, and you know exactly what they're interested in. Again, one of the problems with solo ads is you just don't know really anything about them. You know that they're on a list. This person could claim that they're from a tier 1 country and maybe they're not. You just don't have enough information to really be successful. In my experience, I've had much more success doing high, medium, and low ticket sales with YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and even Pinterest ads. So if you are looking to spend money on ads, I recommend that you spend some time learning different ad networks first, and then you can get a much more positive return on investment. Now, again, does this method work? Yes. But will it work to the tune of $900 per day? You are going to have to be spending a lot of money for it to work. You'll probably have much more success doing free traffic like on YouTube, like he's doing, sending people to an offer, or learning actual ad agencies. Now, there are larger ad networks out there than just YouTube, Google, Pinterest, but those are the big 3. And if you can learn those skills, learn how to master those 3 traffic sources, you won't need to worry about anything else because most people are on Pinterest, Facebook, or YouTube. Now that you know if this process works or not, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planner. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.